tiga.
Satu.
Maaf.
Maaf kiri. Maaf.
Pas dong. Sepertinya tahan. Kiri jauh.
Maaf kiri.
Kiri bawah jauh.
Maaf kiri bawah. Maaf kiri bawah.
Korang, tolong.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true.
Nah, gitu cukur. Otak sekarang. Waduh.
40.
Murengnya kalau pelek sama lu begitu warnanya.
Tahun-tahun dari kita ada ya.
Hah? Sutra Betawi.
Ya, diangkat, diangkat.
Ini ada nih.
Wih, gede dulu.
Maaf.
Maaf kiri, maaf kiri. Maaf, maaf. Tembus, tembus. Maaf.
Kiri bawah. Ya, balap. 37 sisa 1 ekor. Kiri bawah ekor dan motor.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
Putus bro. Putus. Kaliwan. Dia bawa kayak ratu doang.
Aku bilang kalau lu aja.
Sama ini kan.
tabrak. Nice.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Iya, yang tadi masih itu lagi kan. Gigiku.
Ketebalan seberat negara bersama dengan 21 5 kilo 1 oz 5 gram kedua 89 4 kilo 4 oz 0 gram ketiga adalah 830 3 kilo 8 oz 70 gram dan keempat 436 2 kilo 5 oz 5 gram untuk menutup ketiga adalah 12 2 kilo 1 oz 5 gram
Rem. Kiri jauh, kiri jauh, kiri jauh. Kiri bawah jauh. Kiri bawah. Kiri bawah.
Cing.
Oke guys, alhamdulillah mancing hari ini udah selesai. Pokoknya aduh parah. Itu pelajaran penting buat saya. Gua gak nyangka juga maksudnya ikannya gede-gede, tadi juara satu tuh 5 kilo. 42, 40,7, 8,8, 9. Nah tadi kita persiapannya kurang, jadi ini super pertama nih deh. Putus benangnya nih kekecilan. Nah ini super yang tadi kedua putus juga kekecilan, kita nyiapin tadi kekecilan soalnya cuma main gaplean kan, kita nggak nyangka ikannya gede-gede banget. Pokoknya keren, pemancing Nabung keren ya, nggak apa-apa, emang belum milik aja, belum rezeki. Oke, ikutin terus, mudah-mudahan kita kedepannya lebih matang lagi persiapannya, jadi nggak ada kejadian-kejadian kayak gini lagi. Oke, terima kasih semua yang udah nonton, jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe. Oke, Mancing Bareng Putra Betawi, mantap saya.